In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Zoom on your Mac. First, go into your web browser and type Zoom download. On Google, it should be the first result right here, Download Center Zoom. Click on it. You'll be on this page, and right here, it will depend. If you have a Mac with the new Apple Silicon chips, the M1 chips, and maybe later one, depending when you're watching this video, you'll need to click on this link here. If you have an older Mac, you'll need to click this download button. If you don't know which Mac you have, just click this download button and it will select the right one for you in most cases. I have an Apple Silicon chip, so I'll click right here and it will automatically download the software. Okay, this was fast. When you're done, you can click here and open the package. I suggest you read everything that is here. You read the term and conditions, the privacy statement. I don't have time for this, so I'll go click continue. And after you agree with everything, you can click the install button right over here. It will ask your username and password from your Mac, so you're going to enter this. Okay, after you enter it, just click Install Software. And it will take a few seconds. It should not take more than a minute. Installation was successful. Great. You can now close this window and it will ask if you want to trash the installer that you just downloaded. You can click Move to Trash. And here is Zoom. If you want to join a meeting, go ahead and you have your meeting ID. You can type right here or your link that you received. Or if you have an account already, well, you can go ahead and sign in. If you don't have an account, then click sign in and then click sign up on the lower right corner. It will bring you on the Zoom website where you'll be able to create a Zoom account. Thanks for watching, and please give a like and comment if this was helpful. See you in the next one.